Welcome to Adil Awdah, a new day, a new product. Today we have a good product and amazing that every Apple user uses it, and it's a new product in the market. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just before we go ahead, you have to write in the comment below what is the name of the product and what version it is. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, so we can continue with this amazing videos. So this is the product here. Let's open it together. I like this packing. It keeps it very strong so it doesn't fall. It doesn't break. But it's not a breaker. Whoa. That is the AirPods. AirPods Pro 2nd generation with mega safe charging case. AirPods Pro. Cool, yes. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So this is the so you can open it now. Brand new, as you can see here. Let's see now. This box has been lying in my drawers for about a month now, just waiting for me to unbox it. I like this box here. The box is amazing. All those Apple boxes, they're more expensive than the products. Okay, this is the guides. Comes with it, as you guys already know. And this is here, right? Cool, this is it. So this is my name. And as you guys know, my channel name is Adil Awdah. This is, we bought it here. My name and my phone number, just in case if it's lost. Even the opening, you open it from here and you open it from here. I like this. So this is the back. Okay, this is the front. Oh, charger. So this is the charger. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is the, okay. For the, alright. You guys know what I mean. And this is the charger. Okay. That's good. Extra charger for the phone. So create the charger, the covering. You have this, so let's open it. Ooh, there you are. Amazing. I love this. I love this. Yes, sir. So let's wear it. As you can see here, cool. This is the right, this is the left. I like that. I like that. Amazing. So right now I have to set it up on the phone and add it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys will be with us all the time whenever we open new product. So for me to continue, you have to subscribe, please, to the channel, and always share my videos and click the ring button so I could continue. With your help and support, I can get new products and the latest products. Your brother, your friend, Adil Awdah, ADIL space AWDAH. Search me everywhere, you'll always see me.